Most of the people use pivot table in Excel, but they stop at totals and summaries. They manually add profit, cost, and percentage outside of the pivot table. Today, I'll show you step-by-step process how to add a calculated field in pivot table even if you are a beginner. Let's see how. We have already created a pivot table in previous two videos. If you want to see them, links available in the description. Let me show you our data for better understanding. We have sales data here. This data contains regions, salesperson, category, product, unit sold, unit price, and total sales. Our pivot table showing us the region-wise sum of total sales, sum of units sold, and unit price. Now let's calculate region-wise profit based on adding calculated field of the pivot table. I'll click on my pivot table, go to Analyze tab, click on this Fields, Item and Sets, and then we will click Calculated Field. Once this form opens, we will type the name of new field which we want. In our case is profit, as we want to calculate the profit. The next field is formula. Here we will give the formula what we want. The formula is we will multiply our total sales, insert the field, by 0.25 to calculate our profit. I'll press OK. Once I press OK, let's see what happens. And now you can see that how easily sum of the profit is added for the each zone. This calculated column is automatically calculating the profit on based of total sales for the each region. Even if I am changing the data, our number will be automatically updated. That's all for today. We have learned how to add calculated field or a new column as per your choice whenever required in the pivot table. This field is automatically updated whenever the value or data changes in the backend. This totally eliminates the use of manual calculation. That's all for today. In next video, we shall bring you more advanced analysis of the pivot table. So see you in the next one.